Dash cams have become a must-have for drivers, providing peace of mind and crucial footage when needed. But not all dash cams are created equal. Today, I've got the opportunity to unbox and review the VIOFO A229 Plus, a dash cam packed with some impressive features. I was literally browsing dash cams when I got an email asking if I'd like to unbox and review their latest dash cam. So is the VIOFO A229 Plus the ultimate accessory for capturing crystal clear footage day and night? My name's Trevor Joseph, you're watching Rolling Slow Media. Let's unbox and install this dash cam and find out. Before we get into this video, I just want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I would love to do more product reviews for you guys, but I cannot do it without your help. So please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and comment below. So kicking off with what's in the box, first off we have a nice simple wiring diagram which connects the dash cam to your car's 12-volt lighter or USB port. Next we have a 64 gig memory card which will insert into the front dash cam. They've also sent a small Bluetooth remote control so you can operate the dash cam without having to reach up to actually press it, a spare battery for the remote, a circular polarizing filter. If you're in a country where the sunlight's quite bright, you definitely want to put one of these on the lens. The A229 Plus front dash cam camera, the rear dash cam camera, a trim removal tool, a USB-C cable, a lighter to USB adapter, a 6-meter rear camera cable, an instruction booklet, a smaller USB-C cable, and some extra 3M sticky pads. Now that we've gone through what VIOFO have sent, let's get outside and install this dash cam in my BMW M2. We'll start off with the wiring, then we'll move on to setting up the dash cam. Fortunately, my BMW M2 has a USB-C port in the armrest, which I thought was a perfect place for me to run the power from. So what I decided to do first was just plug in the dash cam into this USB-C port just to see if it would operate without any issues. And it did, so I was super happy with that. Next, mount your front dash cam on your windscreen. But when you do this, make sure you leave enough room so that you have access to the memory card. I didn't do this, so getting the memory card in and out was a little bit awkward. Once this was mounted, I started to run the USB-C cable along the top of the windscreen and down the A-pillar. Off camera, I plugged in the 6-meter USB-C cable which runs to the rear of the car, and I decided to just run it above the window and I just tucked it into the trim. Before securing the camera into the car, I just wanted to give it a quick test just to see what it was like. Also, I wasn't too sure exactly where I should position it, so I just used some masking tape to just temporarily stick it to the glass until I was comfortable with its position. Next, I inserted the memory card, but I wish I did this before I stuck the dash cam to the windscreen. I can't get the memory card in. Once it's all wired in, all you need to do is just turn on the ignition and the dash cam will power up. If you're powering up for the first time, it will ask you to select the language, your time zone, and your dash cam will automatically set the time and date when the satellite signal has been received. After that, I set the dash cam to miles per hour because I'm in the UK. And then finally, it asks you to format the memory card. Format the card.
Memory card format successful.
That was it. The camera was ready to operate. It started recording straight away. I just adjusted the camera so I had less dashboard and more of the outside, and it was perfect. Next, I decided to pair the Bluetooth remote to the camera. This is so that you don't have to operate the camera directly when you're driving. You can mount this camera anywhere near your steering wheel for ease of access. Onto the controls, which are really simple. To power on the camera, you just press the far left button, and if you want to power it off, you just press and hold, and the camera will just power off. Once the camera is powered on, it automatically starts recording, and it will write over old files with new footage. But in the event of an accident, the camera has a G sensor which will detect that accident and will lock that particular recording at the time and not overwrite it with any new footage, which is great for if you do get into an accident, you can recover that captured footage. To enter into playback mode, simply stop the recording, press the triangle button, which takes you into the playlist of saved photos and videos. To toggle between photo and video, simply use the mic and the record buttons to toggle back and forth and press the triangle button to enter. And there you'll see the video. If you want to play the video, just click on the triangle button to enter the video and then press the triangle button again and it will start playing. VIOFO also has an app which you can download from the App Store or the Google Play Store, which connects directly to your VIOFO dashcam. Simply download the app from the App Store, install it, connect it to your dashcam via Wi-Fi, enable Wi-Fi on your dashcam and enter the password in for your dashcam so it connects directly to your phone. Once that's done, restart the app, allow any permissions that your settings will ask for, and then you'll be able to download all the footage directly to your phone from your VIOFO dashcam. With installation and setup out of the way, let's jump in the car and see what the actual footage is like from the front camera and rear camera. As soon as you turn on the ignition of your car, both the front and back cameras start recording. The quality is 2K, which is pretty good for the price point. VIOFO do a 4K camera, which is slightly more expensive, but I'm really impressed with the 2K quality. Unfortunately, I've got tints on the back of my car, so the rear camera, the quality isn't as good, but if I had the tints removed, then it'll be perfect. If you want to capture the current footage that's being recorded, just use the Bluetooth remote and it will lock the current footage. At the bottom of your screen and on the recording, you get the miles per hour, your latitude and longitude, the make of the camera, the quality of the video, which is HDR, and the date and time. All this information could come in valuable if you ever need to use this footage in any scenario where you need to prove your innocence. At night, due to my tints, the rear camera isn't that great, but that is only due to my tints. It's really not doing this review any justice having tinted windows on the rear, but the front camera is really good. The quality is super clear. For a 2K camera, I'm really impressed with how capable this camera is in low light conditions. So guys, what do you reckon? Is the VIOFO A229 Plus worth it? I think for £229, I would agree so. It makes a nice little mod for your car. You never know when you'll need a dash cam, and I think this dash cam pretty much ticks all the boxes for what you want, especially for that price packet. I mean, what you get in the box? You get 2 HD cameras that come with Sony's STARVIS image sensor. It has built-in 5G Wi-Fi, voice control, a 2.4 HD screen, parking mode, and GPS logger. So yeah, for £229, I think this is well worth it. If you're interested in getting one of these, I will put a link in the description below. But yeah, I've had this for maybe a couple days now and you just forget that it's there. It literally just turns on when you start your car, starts recording, and it just does its own thing. So yeah, if you're interested in getting one of these, I'll leave a link below. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on notifications. I would love to do more product reviews and I can't do it without your help. Hello, cat. What are you doing in here? Anyway, guys, I will catch you in the next video. Until then, take care. Peace. Smudge. What? I'm in the middle of... What are you doing? What do you reckon? Would you get one of these in your car? No, don't scratch my clothes. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. Take care. Peace.